Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to solve WhatsApp video call problem. Friends, if you are receiving any problem while making WhatsApp video call, like if I press on this video call icon and I receive this message. So friends, if you are seeing this message and not able to do WhatsApp video call, then you simply need to go to settings in your phone. Press on this gear icon to open settings. In settings, drag it little down and you will find apps. In apps, press on manage apps. Now from the list of apps, search for WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, press on app permissions. Here you need to give WhatsApp permission to use camera. So for camera permission, press allow, and also you need to give permission to use microphone. So here you need to allow WhatsApp to use microphone by pressing allow. Now as we have allowed WhatsApp to use camera as well as microphone, now we will try to make a video call. Now to make video call, we will press the video call icon in the chat. So friends, now as you can see, now we can make video call in our WhatsApp app. So friends, like this you can very easily solve your WhatsApp video call problem. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.